In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Squarespace, focusing on using the account dashboard and selecting the perfect template for your website. Whether you're just getting started with building your online presence or looking to refine your site, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and efficient. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Squarespace account dashboard. This is essentially your control center where you manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, you'll notice various options available to help you personalize and manage your Squarespace account seamlessly. Next, navigate to the search box drop-down on the dashboard. This feature allows you to streamline your browsing experience by quickly filtering through available tools and templates. With so many choices at your fingertips, the drop-down serves as a practical way to narrow down your possibilities based on your specific website needs. Once you've accessed the search drop-down, the next step is to click on what interests you. Maybe you're looking for a particular functionality or layout that suits your brand. Take your time to explore and select the option that aligns with your vision for your site. After you've made your selection, you'll proceed by clicking on the Next button. This action will guide you through the process toward more detailed customization options. Each step forwards you closer to enhancing your site's functionality and appearance, making it more engaging for visitors. Now that you've moved on to the next stage, you'll be presented with various choices. Feel free to explore these options as they will determine how your website will look and function. Choose what best fits the theme or style you're aiming to achieve for your personal or business site. Clicking on Next once again prompts you to continue this path of customization. Each click allows you to refine your choices, ensuring optimal outcomes that will reflect your intended aesthetic and user experience. The following step involves choosing a template, which is a crucial aspect of visual presentation on your website. Squarespace offers a rich variety of templates designed for different purposes such as photography, blogging, or e-commerce. Browse through these templates, selecting one that resonates with the overall theme and purpose of your website. Lastly, once you've settled on a template, click on it to start integrating it into your site building process. This choice will lay the foundation for your website's design, presenting your content in the most appealing and organized way possible. By following this guide, you'll efficiently navigate both the account dashboard and template selection process on Squarespace. These steps are designed to simplify your journey toward crafting a stunning, professional-grade website that meets your needs and those of your target audience. Thanks for watching and happy building!